On June 3, 2025, federal authorities charged two Chinese nationals, Yunqing Jian and Zunyong Liu, with smuggling a hazardous biological pathogen into the U.S., a case that's rattled both academia and national security circles. The pair allegedly conspired to bring a dangerous fungus into a University of Michigan lab, exploiting the open environment of American research. This wasn't a simple customs violation. Officials say the fungus is a potential agro-terrorism weapon. Jian, a researcher at Michigan, and Liu, her boyfriend and a scientist in China, both have expertise in the pathogen they're accused of smuggling. Their backgrounds raise alarms. They had the knowledge and access to cultivate the organism, making the threat very real. The case has forced universities and federal agencies to rethink how they vet international researchers working with sensitive biological materials. It's a stark reminder that open scientific exchange can be exploited, and the balance between collaboration and security is under scrutiny. The smuggled agent is Fusarium graminearum, a fungus infamous in agriculture for causing head blight, a disease that devastates wheat, barley, corn, and rice. Infected crops are ruined, leading to billions in losses each year. The real danger? The fungus produces mycotoxins that poison grain, threatening both human and animal health. Exposure can cause vomiting, liver damage, and even reproductive defects. Because of its destructive power, some experts consider it a potential agro-terrorism weapon, capable of crippling food supplies and sowing economic chaos. That's why U.S. law strictly regulates its import and handling. Only authorized labs with special permits can work with it. Jian and Liu's alleged smuggling bypassed these safeguards, putting American agriculture and public health at risk. This case exposes the high stakes of biosecurity in a globalized world. Prosecutors say Liu smuggled live cultures of the fungus in his luggage, lying to customs officers at Detroit Airport. The vials were destined for Jian's lab at the University of Michigan, where the couple planned unauthorized research. Their expertise, and Jian's reported funding from the Chinese government, suggests this was no innocent mistake, but a calculated effort to continue sensitive research outside official oversight. Investigators also found evidence of Jian's loyalty to the Chinese Communist Party, raising suspicions of a broader state-linked agenda. This wasn't just a breach of customs law, it was a violation of trust, with possible implications for national security. U.S. officials responded forcefully, calling the incident a grave national security threat. Attorney Jerome Gorgon Jr. said the suspects are charged with smuggling a potential agro-terrorism weapon into America's heartland. The FBI warned that the unauthorized presence of the pathogen in a university lab could have led to a disastrous release. Customs and Border Protection stressed their frontline role in intercepting such threats, highlighting the potential devastation to the agricultural economy. The coordinated response from the Department of Justice, FBI, and CBP shows the government sees this as more than scientific misconduct. It's a multifaceted threat. The case underscores fears that foreign actors could exploit the openness of U.S. academia for hostile purposes. It's a wake-up call about the vulnerabilities in research institutions and the need for vigilance. The smuggling attempt has become a symbol of deeper anxieties about biosecurity and foreign influence. With Jian under arrest and Liu facing charges, the legal process is just beginning. Both are presumed innocent until proven guilty, but prosecutors are building their case for a grand jury indictment. The FBI and CBP continue to investigate, analyzing seized materials and digital evidence, and interviewing colleagues in both countries. The case could reshape security policies at research institutions and influence U.S. policy on academic visas and international collaboration. For the public, it's a reminder that national security isn't just about borders. It's about safeguarding labs, research, and the food supply. The story of the smuggled fungus highlights the hidden dangers officials work to prevent and the ongoing need for vigilance in a connected world.